just when you make your way back home. I find some time to be alone. I go to see the place once more.